Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, the price line of Bitcoin is dropped more than 11% in a single day from $35,293 to $33,125. And yesterday, I told you that the price action has found this support, and here the price action has also found the resistance as well. And this is the formation of the rising wedge on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that the price action has stopped at this support. And if we switch to the small time period, then we can see that it is getting reversed. For a while, it moved down, and now it is getting reversed inside back into this rising wedge pattern. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then I've shared the link in the video's description to join me here. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart, and here we can see that the price action is still moving between $39,500 resistance level to $28,800 support. We are having some wicks of the candlesticks up to this level. However, the price action on the daily time frame chart, even not close below the $31,000 level as well. Therefore, we can expect that we have a very strong support zone from $31,000 to $28,800. This is our very strong support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price action hit the low at $28,000, even $28,600, and moved up and again retested the same level. But it is again moved to the upside because we have a very strong support of 50 simple moving average that is now moved at $31,454. Previously, we were looking at this 50 simple moving average when it was at approximately $29,000. So it is moved up and providing a very nice support so far. Now, switching back to the daily time frame chart, and we can see that I have observed that so many traders are still following this trend line that was started on 19th of May. And you can see that it is quite invalidated now. And we are having a new trend line. For example, if I place this trend line from here, then we can see that we have this new rejection line. Yesterday, we were watching at this rejection line when it was even trying to break out this resistance of the triangle, this resistance, that downtrend line resistance that we have found a new one, and it was likely to break out. But on the daily time frame chart, we did not have any closing above this resistance. Yes, on the hourly or 4-hourly chart, we may have the closing above this resistance, but we should watch this level on the daily time frame chart, because this is so much critical time for the Bitcoin, especially for the continuation of the bull run. Therefore, we should watch on the Bitcoin chart on the bigger time frame, like on the daily chart. Now we can see that the price line is rejected here, and we have 2 touches here, even 3 touches, 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 7 touches in total at this resistance. And here the price action has also found a support as well. For example, this is our horizontal support. But we also have a sloping trend line as well. Like if I connect these candlesticks in this way, then we can see that we also have a sloping trend line support as well. And the price action is moving slightly to the downside. Like here, the price action also retested. We had a spike up to $28,800, but it was not close below the support and moved to the upside. And now it is again getting rejected by this resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now we have a bigger falling wedge pattern, and yesterday we saw that we also have this support from the downside, and we also have this resistance to the upside. So we have another rising wedge pattern inside this falling wedge pattern. The rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal, and on the other side, the falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. Now here we can see that the falling wedge pattern is bigger than the rising wedge pattern. Therefore, the price action can follow the bigger pattern rather than following the smaller pattern. For example, if the price action will break down the support of this falling wedge, like it is testing the support again without reaching the resistance. Yesterday I was expecting that it will hit the resistance, then but you can see that it moved up and moved very close to this resistance, but did not touch this resistance and move down. And at this time, it is testing the support again. Now, for example, if the price action will break down this support, then it can reach up to this tail of this of a rising wedge pattern that we have at $28,800, and this is the same level where we can also test this support of the falling wedge pattern as well, and from here we can expect another bullish reversal. I'm not confirming this that the price action will move down to this level, but if we will have the closing below this this support of the falling wedge pattern, and there is another support I'll tell you later on in this video, and if the price action will be closed below this support of the rising wedge, and there is another support that is at $33,500, if I place it here, this trend line at $33,500, then we can see that this support is working as a very nice support. Like here it has been working as a nice support, here it has been working as a strong support, and here, even here, this $33,500 has been working as a good support, and here the price action was bounced by this support. Therefore, the price action needs to break down this $33,500 horizontal support as well. Now, if the price line will be closed below this level, $33,500 support level, definitely it will be also closed below the support of this rising wedge as well. Then it can retest this sloping trend line as well, and we can retest the $28,800 support level in that situation. I know that is not a good situation. However, the pattern is bullish reversal. We are having very good support of the 50 simple moving average as well on the weekly time frame chart, and we are also having very good support zone that starts from $31,000 and ends up to $28,800. So far, we are not closed even below the $31,000 support level as well. And if we take a look at the different indicators, like here on the weekly time frame chart, we are also having the good support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, and the stochastic RSI is also extremely oversold. We are entered in the 18th week that this stochastic RSI is moving in the oversold. That is the longest time period in the history of the Bitcoin that the stochastic is moving in oversold zone for such a long time. And the MACD has started turning bullish on the weekly time frame chart. We can see that it was very strong bearish here, and here it started turning bullish, but for a week, only for a week, it turned again strong bearish. Now for 3 weeks it is giving us the bullish signals. It has turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and soon it can be turned bullish as well. Like it was turned bullish here, and then we had a very nice rally to the upside. So on the long term, we are still bullish, and we are turning bullish. You can see that the oscillators and indicators are turning bullish. The oscillators are extremely oversold. We can expect a move to the upside on the long term, because the oscillator, especially on the long term, are extremely oversold, and they need to move up now. Now, if we switch back to this daily time frame, this is very extreme critical movement for the price action of Bitcoin. And this is a make or break time, especially on the daily and short term. And if the price action will have the closing below these levels, then we can expect another move to the downside and retest of $28,800. That is not a bearish move on the long term, but the bearish move on the midterm and on the short term. So guys, be cautious at this time, and keep an eye on the closing of the candlestick on the daily time frame chart, not on the hourly, not on the 4-hourly, because this is very important and critical movement for the price action of Bitcoin, and we need to wait for the closing on the daily time frame chart. If it will be closed on the daily time frame chart below this level, then we can expect that the price action can retest these levels. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.